How to fix YouTube playback speed not working problem. In order for you to fix this issue, first thing first, move into your application YouTube. Make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once logged in, now head over to any of the video or search for any of the video that you would want to play. Let me move into this one. Once you're in this page, now click on the settings icon at the top right corner and click on playback speed. Now set the speed according to your need. Once done, now the playback speed that you have selected is not working on the video, then all you're going to do is scroll down and you have to move into any of the search. Once you have clicked on it, now go back to the video that you're playing. The playback speed should definitely work. If not, the next thing you want to do is head over to the App Store. Inside App Store, in the address bar, search for YouTube. You have to make sure that the application is up to date. Right here you can see the option of update. Tap on update and update the app to the latest version. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. Or else, you can offload the application. Move into iPhone storage and then head over to YouTube. Scroll down and search for the application YouTube and click on it. Tap on offload app and once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It should also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.